Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video I'm gonna show you this soft glam makeup look where I created this purple glitter eyeliner look. I haven't done a glitter eyeliner look in a while, and since I'm doing a lot of glam looks for the upcoming months, a glitter eyeliner look cannot be missing. So let's get ahead and let's get started. Now, the first thing is a tip that if you create like lots of glamorous looks with glitter and stuff, you want to take a little extra care of your eye area, especially when you remove your eyes. Glitters can be quite harsh to remove, so I used the Mudmasky Infused Eye Serum before I started filming, which is super nice. I will link it down in the description bar. And if you want to know how I do my eyebrows, I don't show it in every video, but I will link down in the video description my brow routine. Now, the first thing I did was use the Lamel Cosmetics paint pot in the color Soft Ochre and use this all over my eyelid. This is my favorite eyeshadow primer. It removes the redness and it makes my eyeshadow more long lasting. I've been using this primer for years and years and I just really like it. Then now for today's look, I'm going to go in with this palette, which is called the Selflove eyeshadow palette from a brand which I've never used before, so I wanted to give it a go. And I started with the lightest brown color and started blending this all the way in my crease. I used a Sigma E40 brush and just started blending this in the inner corner and the outer corner, just basically everywhere in my crease. I did notice the shade was super light, so it wasn't very visible, so I decided to do like a combination of the previous color and the other color and just kind of blended both of these shades on my brush and just blended again this all over in my crease area. After this, I still wasn't super happy with how it was looking. I still wanted it to be a little bit darker, so I also went in with the darkest color that comes in a palette just to kind of intensify it a little bit more, because I wanted to go in like with a kind of cut crease look, so I just wanted it to be slightly darker. I did notice the eyeshadows were really soft, they blended out really nicely, but I just felt like they look a bit lighter in the palette. No, they look darker in the palette actually, in comparison to when you apply it on your eyelid. So after blending those three colors in my crease, I went in with the MAC Cosmetics paint pot in the color, not the paint pot, what am I saying? The Pro Longwear Concealer by MAC Cosmetics in the color NC15. This is my favorite concealer for cutting the crease just because it's easy to work with and I feel like it does a really good job on like staying on the eyelid without like creasing a lot. And especially with a cut crease, you want it just to stay perfectly in place. So I'm just gonna create the shape of my cut crease, and then after that I went in with this eyeliner, which is by Inglot. These are actually their cream gel eyeliners, but like tinier versions. And they sent me all these eyeliners in different colors, which are all like really cute pastel colorful shades. So I want to go in with this purple shade today and use this for my base for like the eyeliner glitter look that I'm going for. So I'm just doing like a regular wing liner for my eyes. So first I started with the line above the lash line and then I started creating the wing shape and then fill it in. I did notice I had to go back in a few times with more product to really make the color look really nicely opaque. I felt like it was kind of not looking as pigmented as I wanted it to be, unfortunately. So I went in with a few layers and then I used a little bit of the glitter adhesive from Anastasia Beverly Hills, applied it all over the eyeliner, and then I dipped my brush into this beautiful glitter, which is also from Anastasia, which looks really similar to the eyeliner color, and just kind of dabbed it on top of my wing liner. And I just tried to be super careful, but I did not apply any foundation yet, so if some glitter fell on my eyes or on my face, it didn't really matter because I just wiped it away afterwards. And that's why I told you guys about the eye serum mask that I used underneath my eye from Mudmasky, because like when you remove the glitter underneath the eyes, it can kind of like scratch your skin. So it's nice to like take a little extra care of your eye area. So now I went in with this other palette, which is by Norvina, which I believe is the Volume number 6 palette, which has all the colors of the rainbow and it's just super pretty. And it had this purple color, which looks kind of similar to the purple eyeliner. So I just tried to match it up and use this all the way underneath the lower lash line and just blended it out. Then I went in with this pencil, which is from Khouzami, which is in the color Plum Metallic. A super beautiful purple, also comes kind of close to the purple shade underneath the lower lash line. Even though it's a little different, I couldn't find like an eyeliner in my makeup stash that looked like exactly the same, but that's fine. So I just applied it in a waterline, and then after that I went on top of my waterline with that purple color that I used underneath the lower lash line from the Norvina palette and kind of softly dabbed it on top of my waterline to make it look more like the eyeshadow underneath the lower lash line. So then I curled my lashes, and then I went in with this new mascara that I got from the Balm Cosmetics, which is actually so nice. I think it's one of my new favorite mascaras. It just made my lashes look super long. And currently I'm really liking like mascara ones that are looking like this one. So yeah, so far really liking it. Then I went in with these beautiful Tatti lashes in the style TL19. Such a beautiful lash style. It's kind of dramatic, but I felt like this is quite a glam look, so I think it actually looks perfect with today's eye look. So yeah, I hope you all like how it turned out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel. Let me know what you want to see next, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. Bye guys!
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going